Hello YouTube, welcome back to my games of Kerbal Space Program. This is a tutorial for the next lot of the quests available. The quest is going to be to test the Mark II radial mounted parachute. That one's going to be similar to the first one where you have to get to a certain height, certain speed, and then basically poof, open your parachutes and away you go. The next one, I'm going to be doing two at the same time, is going to be to test the R10 solid rocket fuel booster. I saw this one, I thought, at the end of the day, I pretty much use this as is. So I just thought, you know what, I might as well just use it. Now, getting to an altitude between 8,000 and 10,000 meters, I'm not too sure whether they're going to make it that far up. They should do, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're actually going to go into the thing here. We're going to see our rockets. So here they are. Now, I can bring these down. So if we look, the delta V that I've got here, or the thrust to weight ratio I've got is a 2.4, I believe. A thrust to weight ratio is 3.89. So I've got quite a good thrust to weight ratio. It'll give me 1 minute and 7 seconds of thrust, and I've got about 2,400 delta V. So let's see what happens if I drop this down a little bit to 70%. There we go. So that gives me a 3.0 weight thrust to weight ratio, so it's just not too bad. I think it's lowered my delta V a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, so this lot should engage. That's going to thrust at whatever I want it to thrust at. I've put plenty of parachutes on there so they can engage and disengage whenever needed. And away we go. So we're going to save that. We're going to launch. And here we go. 1 minute and 45 seconds in, but it's probably been about 10 minutes me designing and building that spacecraft. But whatever. I've taken all the science off of this one because I don't actually need any science here. I've got all the science I can get unless I'm actually on the ground. But I have no way to get back to my spacecraft. So we're just going to go from here. So make sure that your SAS is on by pressing T. We're going to bring this down by pressing the left control button. Left control is to dethrottle. Left shift is to increase your throttle. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and engage. Doing okay so far. How are we looking? I want that up. Up. Right, so I need these really to get me to about 8,000 meters. They're probably not going to make it, actually, I think. So let's increase throttle on the center engine. Yeah, I don't think they're going to make it to 8,000 meters. That's interesting. So that's probably not going to cut it, I think. Yep, they're about to cut out. My speed's dropping like a stone. So what happens here? Oh, I can't do anything. So let's continue up. We're gonna shimmy on down. So everything's worked except for the altitude. I've already surpassed the altitude needed. So what I've got a feeling is you need to stage into one of these at that height, maybe. That might have something to do with it. Let's have a look at the top one. Still haven't reached those yet. Wow, I've just reached the what's it. So let's go that way. Let's go that way. Yeah, I'm gonna fall back to Earth regardless what happens. Let's might as well go that way and hope to get back onto land. Right, let's readjust this. It's always worth getting a bit of science. Maybe I should have put a bit of science on here. Maybe. I'm just gonna burn this out. There we go. Let's burn that out. Okay, so hopefully if all goes well, we're way over speed, so that's not even an issue right now. I don't know, maybe that will cause an issue. I'm not sure. Will that cause me any issues? Let's see if I can deploy that chute. I've deployed it. Oh, it's already gone. There we go. Right, I've deployed that chute so that it slows me down a little bit. Because I'm coming in really, really hot. I'm not going to be able to make the first one. That one's already gone. So, let's see if I can do this one. Coming down really, really fast. So hopefully that drag chute is going to actually do something. There we go. Here it goes. So that's going to slow us down a little bit. So we're within the altitude. Are we within the altitude? Done. There we go. Sorted. There we go. So basically, as you can see, what I did there is I used the main chute here as a drag chute to slow us down enough for me to get the test radial mounted parachutes. Once I'd done that, I activated the engines. I activated all of them when I was ready to roll and get back on track. So, whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Let's slow down. Whoa. Oh wow, they opened up really early. Okay, Jeb, let's see what's going on there then, buddy. So let's get a crew report. Where are we? We're somewhere over there. There we go. Unfortunately, I didn't get this one. That's a shame. But I've got a feeling I know how I'm going to do that one. I think I'm going to maybe do it so I'm sitting on a bigger rocket, blast us off up into the air, just using pure thrust into the air. Then when we get to about 8,000, I'm going to engage those engines and see if that will kick it. So let's hope. It's coming down really, really slowly. Right, I'm getting a bit of. Come on down, come on down. There we go. How far are we from the surface? I don't actually know. We're probably on an edge as well. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, we done well. We done well, Jeb. We're on the ground, my old son. What about electric charge? Oh, electric charge is pony. Okay, so we're going to EVA you, sir. We're going to EVA report. That's cool. We're going to take the data. We're going to store it. That's that. We are going to drop you off the edge. There we go, boy. How's it going, son? And let's see how you're doing. Let's see how you're doing. So we're going to go EVA report. There we go. We're going to take a surface sample. And that is fantastic. Good boy. Plant a flag. And we are currently, where are we? Review report. We are currently in the Kerbal Mountains. So this is going to be site name Kerbal Mountains. There we go. I think I spelled mountains wrong. No, I spelled it wrong. No, I spelled it right. Jeb was here. There we go. Okay, we'll save that, and if we can get back on the ship, that'd be fantastic, Jebediah. You're a top man. Let's get jumping F. Can you get back on the ship? Jump F. Yes! Yes! Jebediah, you're a legend. An absolute legend, son. Right, and then we just recover the vessel. Now, unfortunately, we haven't been able to do the other one, but we at least got that radial mount sorted. That's, again, was relatively simple to do. So 77 science in total, covered most of the ship, and we recovered Jebediah. So we've got this one. Let's delete that, and I'll see you in the next video. Actually, you know what? I will pause the video here, and I'll come back when I've actually done the other one. So I'll see you guys in a sec.